sorry. I didn't know you were asleep, but, it seems that I am lost.
What are you searching for?
I'm on my way to London to get a little peace.
There is peace all around you. Who in London could give you peace?
Oh, Dr. Grasnova Perks.
I am Dr. Grasnova Perks.
You're Dr. Grasnova Perks? What are you doing all the way out here?
I flew Jolly Fat's Weehawken to New York.
Oh, why do you always say shh?